Rescuers continue searching for workers trapped in the Binaliw landfall following a landslide on January 8. Here is the report.
11 people have died and 26 remain missing 5 days after a mountain of garbage collapsed at a landfill in Barangay Binaliw, Cebu City. Families of the missing have voiced frustrations over what they describe as slow progress in the rescue operations.
Napakabagal talaga. Napakabagal dahil kasi kita ng view nila na hindi kakayanin ng mga rescuer yun. Sana naman nag-implement sila agad ng initiative na mapabilis. Naghintay sila, nag-deploy sila ng mga disaster team o rescuer dyan. Pero parang walang nagawa. Parang mga puro supervisor lang.
Initially, media personnel and relatives were allowed near the landfill perimeter, but access has since been restricted.
Laging lang hinahanap yung ama nila. O, ma, nana si Papa, okay na ba si Papa? Wala pag yun nakita. Ang sakit nun, sa side mo, ikaw hinahanap yung ama. Napakasakit. Sana naman, magkaroon sila ng awa na makita man ng body ng asawa ko. Sana buo. Mahal ko yung asawa ko.
Cebu City Mayor Nestor Archival assured the public that rescuers are doing everything possible to locate those still trapped under the debris.
We understand that there are people that are trapped inside that has life. Buhay pa sila. The building is actually a metal building. All of the parts are interconnected to each other. Now, if we want to bring the structure up, certainly they will be in the middle. Sa kuan sila, mapiit sila. If we have the big spark, then it will catch fire.
Archival added that operation will continue as long as there are signs of potential survivors. The mayor also stressed that the tragedy should serve as a wake-up call to tighten permits and inspection for all landfills.
It's really a wake-up call. Ang kaning atong garbage sa ordinance o ang atong 9003, which is the national law, it's in there so long a time. Ang ato lang wala gini nato matagay o pagtagad.
Archival also expressed support for a planned Senate inquiry into the deadly landslide.